Tired of your job title having more words than your paycheck? You're putting in the effort, meeting deadlines, but that promotion, it feels like it's stuck in rush hour traffic. What if I said it's not just about working harder, but about working smarter on what really gets you noticed? It's time to stop being the best-kept secret in your company and start being the obvious choice for that next step up. Here are 3 easy strategies you can start using tomorrow to show your boss you're a real leader, not just a worker. First, instead of just pointing out problems, start bringing solutions. When you notice an issue, think of a couple of fixes before mentioning it to your boss. This shows you're proactive and ready to tackle challenges. Kills. Second, think beyond your to-do list. Chat with your manager about the team's goals for the quarter and link your daily tasks to those bigger objectives. This way, you'll really show you get the big picture. Try these out and watch your boss start seeing you in a new light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.